Hi guys, welcome to the episode 3 of Lumber Tycoon 2 from start. As you can hear, I fixed my audio, the hum that was in my videos. So I hope this is better. I farmed. I had 33,000, and I bought the can of worms, sandbag, and the light bulb, which means that we will going to get the shark eggs in the no location, and then maybe some wood, yeah, and the new sawmill. So let's get into it. This is going to be a like 20-minute episode. It's going to be really long and maybe even automated system for the sawmill that I just load things here and it will flow back to here and automatically load and I can just sell it. Yeah, let's do it. So firstly, I will just drop down the silver axe. I don't need it, and I will drive to the spot when I will be getting the shark eggs. I don't know how to pronounce this egg, so I will just call it shark eggs. It's some Rukiryaxe. I don't know. Yeah, let's just drive there. It's really actually just behind the tree. Tree. Is the light bulb here? Maybe I shouldn't take it off the box. Put the things. Yeah. Now the sandbag and the can of worms. And now me. Yeah. I don't know in which order I should give it. Oh. So it's worm, sandbag, light bulb. Okay. Oh my god. Rukiryaxe. Rukiri. Oh, I have it. Nice. This will help us with so much things. It's way faster than the steel axe. Finally, I'm here, and I can buy the new sawmill for what happened. Okay, I think that we should get the zombie and gold wood if it's possible. I don't know how to get it. I was never like going to attempt this. I will just place it, and I will just watch some tutorial how to make it. And before that, maybe I should uh, upgrade my setup. Oh, that is bigger. Oh my god, that is so big. Yeah, I will just make my setup better. You will see in this time lapse. Guys, so the land not enough. I need one more. There is 6,000 for that, so I'm going to just chop down some lava wood, and with this bigger sawmill, we'll just like put it here. But I don't want to lose my axe. I really don't want to lose my axe, so I will just use the steel one instead. Yeah. I know. So I will just drive there, give food, build land, and finish this, and then I will then we will go for the gold and zombie wood. Okay, so bye. Yeah, these guys are stealing my wood because I had to reload. I even typed thanks for stealing my wood. Yeah, that's kind of sad that people are doing this even though it's not theirs. And just going to cut this wood really badly. Okay, this lava wood is so thick. It really takes up a lot of space. So just two, two to three, 2 to 3 trees are probably like the best, even when someone is stealing your wood. I will just left them with my wood. They're like poor beggars that will just kill any wood. Oh no! No! Because of one log, 2 logs fell. Yeah, this is the biggest frustration with this wood. It's always falling. It's always falling. And just can't prevent it. Can do everything. It'll still fall. Or I will just leave the wood there. I'll just drive down to my base and convert it into things. And test my almost new, like almost because it's not done. New sawmill station, like automatic. It should load automatically. Still not done. But soon it will. Oh yeah. Just test this. Just to test this. Not just test this. I have to pick up this wood. Oh my god, and it finally fit. Oh no, I messed up. I messed up. I really messed up. I messed up. I messed up. I messed up. I really, 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 really. How long is that? Oh my god. It's absolutely massive. Like I can just pick this and or wait. It can't convert. No, no, no. I can drive. Oh, it moved. What? I mean, this piece is too heavy. I put it in the back. Oh, I can move now. That is strange. Okay. I will not look how much money it gave. It gave. Okay. I think that we are already on the 3,000 mark. I'm not sure. I'm not looking, I swear. Did we get it? I think we did. But I'm going to sell this. $8,300? That is way better than icewood. What the heck? Icewood gave me like 19k from like 6 trees. That is impressive. Lava. Maybe because the lava wood is thicker. And thicker means more money. Okay, so I will just be getting lava wood from now on. But I still needed icewood for the better sawmill. Okay, so this gave me already 4,000. 4,000? Wait. That's less than I thought. No, 6,000. Okay, I'm not going to look. I don't know, but I feel like Wood is a bit easier and quicker. But it also sells a bit less. That's interesting. But it gave me 12,000. Yeah, almost. Yeah, that's like... So this gave me almost 8,000 from 3 trees, and I chopped down 6 or 5 there. and it gave me 19. I don't know. I've just build the rest, and I think that we should get the zombie and ice wood in the next episode. Yeah, this took a lot of time, probably like more than 2 hours. Yeah. So in the next episode we will be getting the zombie and gold wood. Yeah. Okay. So let me just build this real quick. What just happened, bro? What the hell? It just flung me off. Okay. That is weird. Oh! What the heck? What is wrong with my car? Okay, so I finally built this. It works really easily. Yeah, you will chop down some wood. Chop down this tree. Yeah. And this part right here, for instance. Put it down. Drive here. Park exactly here. Drop down the wood. And it didn't work. That means that I have to chop down this wood. I tell you, was this all worth it? Maybe. Write in the comments if this was worth it. Spent almost 2 hours on. Almost 2 hours. It was slowly, but I feel expected to drive there with more wood. So more wood, and then it will just drop here. I don't know if you can fit. Oh my god. This game is driving me crazy. Yeah, so what happens if I just removed it? It should be better. Even for more thicker. Yeah. And just drop. Nice. And just drive to the wood drop off. Just when I asked you to write in the comments, was it worth it? Yeah, I really want to see the feedback, so write in the comments if someone is actually watching this series. These videos are picking at 10 views. That is sad, but I will just keep working hard. And yeah, in the next episode we will be getting the zombie and gold trees, not the wood. I promise. So this is like a technical episode. So yeah, guys, enjoy your holidays and everything because it's summer, and bye.